Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's July 15th, 2018, and it's weigh-in day. Well, I have to be completely honest with you guys. I am kind of having a down day today. I just am not really feeling it on the YouTube videoing kind of deal. I think sometimes, I just kind of get worn out and I need a break. And trying to provide content for now 2 channels instead of 1 is even more overwhelming than I kind of expected. So it's been a lot of late nights and I am really tired. I haven't really been keeping up with my sleep, and I'm spending all day trying to come up with content for the other channel and spending all night editing videos. So we'll see how it's going to go in the future. It's kind of overwhelming, but I think I just need a little bit of a break today, so I'm just going to make this video short. I hope that's okay with you guys. I hope you don't mind if I don't have any, profound life lessons to teach you today. But I'm just kind of wiped out. So let's just get straight to the weigh-in. So as you can see, 201.2, which is down 0.2 pounds from last week, which is basically nothing. So I'm still basically at the same place as I was last week, and I am still retaining water. My hands are still puffy. I've tried changing up a few things this week, and I've stayed out of the heat. I've done all of my classic tricks to try and get water drop, including taking a magnesium bath and drinking a little bit more water than usual, trying to make sure my Soleil water is right. I've tried not taking Soleil late at night. I've tried taking a little less Soleil. I've tried taking a little more Soleil. And you know what, guys? Doesn't matter what I do, the water doesn't go anywhere. So, and I've tried not having bars, and I've had bars, as you well know from my last What to Eat Wednesday, that half the week I was eating some bars. So I really don't think that actually has much to do with it whatsoever. I really just think it's just what your body does, and it does it randomly, and who knows. I mean, I keep trying to make sense of it, and it doesn't make any sense. So I'm going to tell you what I tell you every time I'm dealing with this kind of thing is just be patient, and it'll go down. And I'm not going to worry about it, because what's the sense in worrying about it? It's kind of boring for me to put these videos out for you guys where I just don't lose any weight, and it's not exciting and fun, and it's definitely not as fun to make these kind of videos as it is to make the ones where, the Wonderland video, where everything was so much fun and we had a crazy time. But you know what? It's okay. I think you guys need these videos too. I need you to see that things aren't always linear, and that things sometimes don't do what you think they should do, or don't go the way that you plan them to go, and then you just have to keep going. And that's the hardest part about weight loss. So here I am teaching you something profound. The hardest part about weight loss is the fact that you have to keep going. Today in church we were talking about doing the small and simple things are what makes great things come to pass. And that is absolutely true when it comes to weight loss. Every day, those tiny choices that you make every moment of every day, choosing not to eat your carbs, choosing to track your macros, choosing to pre-plan your meals, choosing to eat healthy, yummy keto foods. Every time you make that decision, whether the scale is affected or not that week, you are still becoming a healthier and better person because of your choices. And through those small choices, each day, you will eventually get to the place where you've lost 177 pounds in 18 months. So that's my lesson to you guys. So if you're new to my channel, you may not realize I have lost 177 pounds using a ketogenic way of eating. I started out January 1st, 2017 at 374 pounds, and my lowest weight that I have recorded here on YouTube is 197.2. I did actually see 196, but I think it may have been a fluke, so I'm sticking with the 177 lost. I choose not to shrink my weight loss when my water weight bounces. So I don't go oh, today I've only lost blah, 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 so it's only going to be 173. No, I'm not doing that. The lowest I've seen is the lowest I am. I know it's just water weight because I haven't done anything to mess up my weight loss or to gain weight. So, anyway. Oh, and inches lost, I lost 3/4 of an inch this week. Basically, 1/4 of an inch on my arms and around my midsection in various places. My bust again. Yeesh. Yeah. We talked about that last week, I think. How my bra is not fitting. But it's doing okay still, so I'm not stressing out. Yeah. I'll get me a new one soon. What else? Did I have anything else I wanted to share with you guys? This is actually a picture week for me. So I take pictures every 4 weeks, and this is week 80 on keto. So this is actually a picture week for me. So I will be putting a slideshow in the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed that. I did it 2 weeks ago for my anniversary video, but I usually only do it every 4 weeks. So this is one of my 4-week videos, and I hope you enjoy the slideshow. And I'll talk to you again soon.